Is it just me, or does it feel like we've skipped autumn this year and we've gone straight onto winter? Hi, my name's Matt and welcome back to another Detailing World video. So if you're regular on the forums or if you follow us on Instagram or Twitter or anything like that, you'll notice earlier in this week we launched the Detailing World channel. So this video is basically just going to cover some things that we're hoping to do over the winter months. It's probably a strange time to launch a channel, but we have. So yeah, if you're watching way in the future, then welcome along and be sure to check out the back catalogue of videos we'll hopefully have by then. So yeah, let's crack on. So yeah, as I was saying, is it just me or has it gone really cold really quickly? I mean, hell, I'm even having to layer up more than usual. Oh, it's so cold. So yeah, so it's that time of year again where everyone starts on with the winter preps and then basically spending all your evenings and the cold weekends sat inside just waiting for that lovely spring weather and show season to come back again. Don't worry though, because over the coming few weeks we've got a selection of videos ready for upload and that'll hopefully help you pass the time over those cold, dark winter evenings. Speaking of which, I best crack on with this one. So as I was saying, we've got a few videos lined up to record and some ready for upload. But as I said, it is a new channel, so we would like to hear what you guys would like to see, and yeah, just leave the comments below this video and we'll see what videos we can make that you guys might find entertaining. So yeah, we're always open to ideas and suggestions. Yeah, so while I finish my car, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to this channel, that's just down below, and if you want instant notifications, remember to click the bell icon as well. Oh yeah, and if you enjoyed this video, remember to click like as well, it really does help us out, and we'll see you on the next one.